Alright, so as an insider for Nothing, I had the opportunity to test out a prototype of the Nothing 2A. During this process, I received numerous over-the-air updates, around 15 OTA updates to be more specific. Before diving into my experience with the device though, it's important to clarify that Nothing hasn't heard my overall thoughts. Nothing provided zero input regarding my review of the Nothing 2A. As an insider, I do get to share concerns or report bugs to Nothing directly, but beyond that, Nothing hasn't had any direct input regarding my Phone 2A and my personal thoughts of the device. I also can't show the prototype I used, but I will share some photo samples later in the video, and all of the video clips you see were filmed using the 2A. I can certainly address any questions you may have regarding the Phone 2A in the comments down below. Nothing's insider program stands out compared to others I've participated in. The Nothing team, just like their products, are equally transparent throughout the insider process. It's rather refreshing to be a part of, and I strongly suggest joining the Nothing Discord and community if you haven't already. When the prototype of the Phone 2A first arrived, I quickly unboxed it, and its design immediately resonated with Nothing's distinct brand identity. Despite Nothing having only released a few products thus far, their brand identity is strong, and this is more evident with the overall design of the 2A. From a design perspective, the build feels lightweight yet durable. Since it's a prototype, I did not have direct access to the new glyph interface, so I'm unable to speak to glyphs specifically on the 2A. The display, though, bears resemblance to other Nothing phones, and when combined with the minimalist design language of the Nothing OS and their impressive wallpapers, it offers a solid experience for everyday use. Even in direct sunlight, I found the display to be sufficiently bright and usable. Wireless charging is unfortunately absent. The 2A does charge quickly when needed, and throughout all of the OTA updates, battery performance has remained consistently impressive. Easily a day-and-a-half to 2-day device during moderate to heavy usage. Regarding software performance, the 2A feels just as smooth as the Nothing Phone 2 I've been using alongside it. There hasn't been a moment where I perceived any lag, and multitasking under various workloads has been seamless. The testing period highlighted Nothing's commitment to software excellence with a continuous stream of OTA updates that brought meaningful improvements, particularly in camera performance. Speaking of which, here are a few photo samples that I captured using the 2A. Cameras overall performed really well, I think, for the 2A throughout my usage of the prototype, and throughout all of the software updates, as I mentioned, Nothing really focused on improving the camera specifically through those updates, and a lot of these photos are from my most recent OTA updates. I also want to note, as I mentioned in the beginning, all of the video clips that you're seeing throughout this video are video clips that were filmed using the 2A prototype that I have, and I also want to mention that I edited the video, most of the clips here, all on the 2A using LumaFusion. In addition to that, I was also able to use the 2A to record some of this voiceover, so you're really getting a full experience of using the 2A from a creative standpoint, in addition to just using the 2A as an everyday phone and an everyday device. It can certainly be used to create content such as this and upload to YouTube with ease and with no issues at all. It performed wonderfully throughout this process, and I think, again, the cameras do a pretty sufficient job when it comes to overall photography and videos. Overall, this experience showcases Nothing's software team as not only responsive but proactive in many instances, with a laser focus on delivering the best software experience possible to users. When you compare excellent hardware with equally impressive software, it truly makes a difference. Nothing has refined its approach based on the lessons learned from Phone 1 and 2, resulting in a harmonious device that delivers on both fronts. While I've had the prototype for some time now, I look forward to getting my hands on the actual 2A and bringing you even more thoughts. I want to say thank you to Nothing for this great opportunity. I absolutely love being a part of this community and being an insider. As always, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be alerted when new content drops. Thank you for watching, take care, and stay safe.